Hello everyone, it's Stream Trades here with you on this day, and I haven't been around for a while because really nothing important happening here for over a week. Over here you can see that the market is ranging in a flat sideways movement, so I don't see anything interesting happening, so there's nothing to talk about. But today there is something interesting happening, and basically a lot of people are talking about the coming breakout and the huge price movement. So I want to spend some time and review the charts. By the way, we have Ethereum 3-hour time frame, and I'm going to talk to you and tell you my ideas, my thoughts, and what I see on the charts. And to start with, I will explore and tell you, remind you again about these zones that I have marked. And over here, let's go ahead and use the Fibonacci retracement tool, one of my favorite ones, from the swing low into the swing high. And what you can see is here I have marked the golden pocket area, and here's the platinum pocket area. The same way what I have another areas marked. I took this swing structure from the swing high, going to the swing low, and over here I have this structure retracement, golden pocket, and platinum pocket marked. I always mark them because these areas are crucial. And also, what I have here marked for you, let me zoom in a little bit. This very interesting movement, which is, somebody can say that it is a symmetrical triangle, somebody will call it a wedge. Doesn't matter because what actually matters is we are close to the apex, so there will be a movement. And for the symmetrical triangle, actually the breakout strategy is 50 on 50. So there's equal percentage that it will go to the upper side and the same 50% that it will go to the downside. But usually these triangles, they are uh, the trend continuation patterns. And for now, what you see is the trend is the downtrend. And by the way, I am in the hedge mode position on Ethereum because, as you can see from here, from the August 20th, we are in a downtrend in the retracement. So I am still in the hedge mode on Ethereum, having some of my longs protected from the time when Ethereum is falling. So I'm not losing any money on that. Okay, so what you can see here is what I wanted you to look at is this triangle. And now today on the YouTube, on Twitter, I saw a lot of tweets saying, well, there's a very high movement and it's an impulsive movement, so Ethereum will break out and Bitcoin will break out. Well, the same thing happened here. They said the same. Look at this impulsive movement. Look at this impulsive movement. Nobody knows for sure when it's going to break out. But what I want you to show and what I want you to know is Fib retracement. Again, my favorite tool. If we go from this swing high into the swing low, what you will notice, these areas, golden pocket, platinum pocket, price bounce from here. Then we take another structure and we go from here, uh, we go from the swing low into the swing high. And notice the same thing. This time only the golden pocket, and then it went high again. So every time the price will actually bounce. Well, I showed you the wrong thing. Sorry. Here was the from this swing low into this swing high. Here's the golden pocket, and then it also touched the platinum pocket and went high. And again, it went to the golden pocket and platinum pocket here, and the same way here, and now again here. So if it will not break, and what you can see there is a lot of resistance. Let me actually zoom in here. What you can find, so many wicks, so many tension here because this is a very strong zone. Let me once again show you that. Swing high into the swing low, and look that it bounced from the golden pocket, then it went high to the platinum pocket. That is predominant algorithm right now on the market. So basically the algorithm, they will buy a little bit here, then they will add here for the short. So now the algorithm are shorting the market, the Ethereum price. And guess where they shorting their next target to short, where they're gonna close their position, take profit, and go into the reverse trade uh, from the swing low into the swing high, it will go. They will try to draw the price here and then here to these areas. That's where they're gonna take their profit. Take profit one will be here, take profit two will be here. If they can do that, and then they will actually buy longs to go high. So you don't know how long will it be and when the apex will break. They still have plenty of room. They have like another week that they can play this. And if we'll look at other indicators, actually, I will tell you. Over here, we have the series of higher lows, higher low, and higher low. The same way here was higher low here. But notice here, this low is lower than that one. Let me show it for you. This one is a lower low than that one. It's lower than that one. But on the chart, you can see that this low is higher than that one. So I thought I actually had an idea that probably it will break from here and it will go lower because notice that the price never touched the golden pocket area yet. So I think there is a very strong possibility that the price will still go and visit this area or maybe even go lower and visit the platinum pocket area. That's why I still have this wave C and wave 2 placed somewhere around here because there is a very high chance for the price to go and retest these levels. If it'll do it, nobody knows because definitely the price can surprise you and break out here and go high. But notice again, I have these areas marked for you, the platinum pocket and the golden pocket. Let me actually make it a little bit more visual for you. So for me to have the bear market over and to say that the bull market is in, that will be the time whenever this area will be broken, or if it'll go lower, then the golden pocket will move a little bit lower. So that's what I'm waiting for. And if you doubt, zoom out, right? So we are on a 3 hour time frame. If we go on a 1 day time frame, what do we see here? There's very interesting thing happening. Actually, here I would not draw a symmetrical triangle because what you can see, look at every candle here, all this rejection, weak, weak, rejection, 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 rejection from the downside. So basically what you see over here is the market is in indecision point. So for me, that is a no trade zone because the bulls and the bears are fighting and they're having a hard fight, and everybody's trying to push the price. These guys are trying to push the price lower. These guys are trying to push the price up, and that's what you can see here. So basically, what I can see here, I would actually draw an ascending triangle, which has a higher probability to break to the upper side. But still, for the ascending triangle, there's still a plenty of space to work. They have almost look 2 weeks, so the price can go in this triangle for a while before it's gonna break. If we'll look at the RSI, it's really cool because we have some higher highs here on the RSI, while here you have the higher lows, right? So it's pretty cool. And also notice that on the instrument trades indicator, there was a crossover. So these are giving the hints that the price is most likely to go to the upper side, but don't forget about this area, which will be a pretty hard resistance because that's a golden pocket. Okay, now let's go on a 3 day time frame. And what I'm going to show you here, you will definitely see what I'm talking about the indecision. Just look at these candles. Look at that candle. Look at that candle. Two candles in a row on the 3 days. So that's 1 week of indecision. 1 week of complete indecision. Market doesn't know where to go. Huge wick from the upside, huge wick from the downside. Same way here. Over here, they try to pull it down, but the bull stepped in and they pushed the price up. What's going to happen here? Well, we don't know. There are like 2 days left. It could actually go down. No wonder. So for me now, that is a no trade zone. I do not accumulate any more Ethereum now because I already bought enough. uh, I actually, like I told you, I'm in the hedge mode position because if the price will go lower, I want to have enough USDT to buy more Ethereum if it will go lower. If it will go high, I don't care. I will wait. If it will go somewhere here, for example, there will be a strong impulsive move here. Remember, market always has the corrections. So if there will be a strong move here to the golden pocket, there will be a retracement. So I will be able to add more Ethereum to my long position whenever I'll open the long over here and close my hedge mode, right? So I'm not in a rush. Remember about the crypto market. Don't be in a rush. Market will always give you a chance to step in. Well, that's actually what I wanted to talk about. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Have a safe and profitable trading. Talk to you later. Bye bye.